Yeah, hello. So, we are here to create uh, print on demand products. So, we have two options. We have Printful and Printify. So, I've already created an account on Printify. So, Printify here, you can add your own suppliers. You understand what we mean by suppliers? So suppliers mean pé àwọn tó yẹ pé àwọn ló máa bá wa ship ọjà wa. So when it comes to Printful, àwọn platform yẹn gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ ibẹ̀ náà ti máa àwọn fúnra lára àwọn ló máa ship product yẹn. So print on demand, you be the one to design your own product by yourselves. So any product you design, either clothes, mug, and others. Now let's take some research on Google. So list print on demand products. Yeah, you have bags, mug, hoodies, phone case, art, sticker, and so on and so forth. So we have a lot of print on demand products. Any product that you design by yourselves, so like a design, you be the one to add your own design. So we call this print on demand, and we have some platform that they are doing the print on demand. So we are going to use uh, Shopify, Printful, and Canva. So that's the three platform that we are going to use. So this is the 21 best selling print on demand product. So now, what are print on demand products? Print on demand POD is a way to sell a customized made to other products that features your own design. I've already said this before. You be the one to design products in the design. So nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ print on demand nìyẹn. Only in form of drop shipping, which is an order fulfillment method used in e-commerce, Shopify, Wix, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So and you create the design, you custom order a product featuring that design, and I have third-party print service print and fulfill the order. Only one key benefit of using the various print on demand companies available is that you don't pay for a product until you have made a sales. So all these print on demand products until you have sales. So only sales after you design your product, each sales you have. So ibẹ̀ náà ti máa yọ percent wọn lórí ẹ̀. So each product you have, they are going to remove their percent only available that you don't pay for a product until you made a sales. Now nǹkan tá a dìdí wá síbi ni the best print on demand products: unisex t-shirt, children t-shirt, mugs, all over print hoodies, all over print yoga pants, and so on and so forth. So ibo la wá lọ gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Now wọ́n fún wa ní this is Google Trend. Yeah. So they give us the analysis how the product are selling. So kálá wa náà fẹ́ ṣe research wa ni, maybe you want to do any product research for your buyers. So ibi tá a ti máa a lè lọ ṣe research ní Google Trend. So this is the analysis tó máa gbé wá fún wa. So country, ibi tí ta ní láti target, and when it comes to Facebook ads as well, you can use Google Trend to target the best location that the product is selling. So unisex t-shirt. So this is analysis, and if you check here, it shows United States. So So this is it. So let's come down. Children t-shirt, normal children t-shirt. We don't need to come out sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí now. Mocks. Ẹni pé ó tún gbé another analysis wá. So ẹ ti rí báyẹn. Cat more. So here, this is the normal product, but this is your own design. This design you can create it on Canva. So just cat more. You can create it on Canva and then upload it to your Printify or any print on demand platform. Then you add it automatically. It will mug you. By anytime you want to design your own product, just search for the product you want to design. So ó máa gbé wá fún ẹ, and you will select the, when it's come to clothing, sir, you will select the size you want, large, extra large, XXL. So we all understand that. Now all over pants hoodies, we all understand hoodies. Now this is the design tí ẹni yẹn fi sí lélẹ̀. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká wo eléyìí báyìí, a rí pé normal plain one lélẹ̀, but it has different colours. Now ẹni yìí náà báyìí, irú design tí òun náà fi sí lélẹ̀ yìí. Do we understand? So all over print yoga. So leggings, ẹ máa gbé ilé ìjọ leggings. So that's it. So necklace. So you can just add your own design. Maybe you can just customize your own name to it. Poster. So jackets. Can you see the design? This is the design. So bags design. Now if you have been scouting on ST, let me show you some example. Now you are already on ST. So we are going to search for bag. So normally it's going to bring different type of bag. So I just want to show you the design. Can you see? Normal ìgbélé báyìí tá a bá máa wá díẹ̀ kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀. Ìsídà kò jẹ́ wípé normal òun ló ń ṣe fúnra ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé òun ló ń ṣìpù ẹ̀. Or kó lọ partnership pẹ̀lú print on demand product. Do we understand? So this irú eléyìí báyìí tá a bá fẹ́ design lè, you can just search for handbag or bag, either handbag or bag. So wọ́n máa fún wa ní different bags. So ó lè jẹ́ pé eléyìí lẹ́ni tó like and ó dẹ̀ selected. No, àwọn eléyìí báyìí normal handmade product. We have handmade, we have print on demand, we have digital products. So when it comes to ST, digital products, handmade products, print on demand. That's the, so under digital products we have printable and editable products. So that too. So gbogbo àwọn ilé báyìí handmade products yìí normal ẹ máa rí pé wọ́n ń hun ilé ni. So eré ilé báyìí customize one ni. So that's print on demand or handmade products. So kálá fẹ́ mọ̀ either handmade products ni or print on demand. There are some people tó yẹ wípé nínú description wọn wọ́n máa kọ síbẹ̀ wípé this is handmade product. There are some people tó yẹ pé wọ́n ní kọ síbẹ̀ pé this is handmade product, wọ́n máa kọ sí pé print on demand product ni. So if it is print on demand product, àwọn ẹni yẹn either kan lo Printful or Printify. But don't forget, we are using Printify to do training. So ẹ jẹ́ ká check description àwọn ẹni yìí bóyá máa hard. So this is the title. So description. that you might need the description again. You print your name on the front of the total bag. So eléyìí báyìí ó jẹ́ pé normal tí anybody bá ti place order kókó jẹ́ pé these are display products. So anytime a buyer come to place an order, so ó ní option tó yẹ kí wọ́n máa fi orúkọ ẹ̀ sí. Eléyìí báyìí this is handmade products. Since tó yẹ pé on request fún orúkọ tó máa bá kọ sí. You understand? So that's it about that. I hope you understand the explanation I give about the print on demand product. So let me show you some others, something like this. Can you see your design here? Your design here, that means it depends on the design you want. No matter if it's only bag to buy order. So I think, can you see this is digital product? So you be the one to go and print it out by yourself. So àwọn kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ design báàgì yìí ni, so ìwọ ló ṣe máa lọ design. Really it's not possible digital product kó padà sọ di kó ra digital product kó wá gbà ní physical product. It's not possible. So that's why tán ṣe fi sí notice wá pé this is digital download. So okay, let me bag print demand. If possible, tó bá máa gbé nǹkan tá a fẹ́ gangan wá. But I'm sure it will bring it sharp. I'm sorry for the network error. Yeah, I hope you can all see. Ó lá pé handbag la search fún, that's why tó ṣe ń gbé ilé wa. You understand? Ká la search fún any other thing ni, ó máa gbé ilé tí ó kì í ṣe báàgì wa. So that's it about that. So I'm trying to create a Shopify account. So I will now connect the Shopify account. Shopify account, I think we have 15 days free trial. So I'm going to complete this class before that 15 days trial. So I'm going to connect the Shopify and the print on demand. I'm going to connect everything together. So I'm just starting. So I'm already selling online. So I'm just starting. We can skip and we can pick it anyone we like. So I'm going to end this training. So I'll connect it, and from then we're going to start with Canva, design our own products. So I'm going to end the training now. Thank you for joining this class.